Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, I started one Telegram group guys, so the interested candidates may join in that group. And in this video, we are going to see the faculty vacancies notification in one of the state government university. Along with that one, we are going to see the one more notification, that is the PhD notification in the Central University. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account guys, and I provided this link in the description box of this video, so please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. While coming to the present content of the video, first we will see the PhD notification in the Central University, that is the Tejpur University. I will provide this PDF link in the end of the description box of this video guys, so you may check down. So I am providing the links for the each and every notifications at the end of my description box, so check down guys. Why? Because so many subscribers are complaining that links are not available in the description box. Okay, so admission notice, PhD spring semester program 2021 online applications are invited from eligible candidates having the valid UGC NET JRF, UGC CSIR NET or JRF, DBT JRF and all these things in the following departments: business administration, civil engineering, computers, cultural studies, electrical engineering, electronics and communication, energy, environmental science, mathematical sciences, mechanical engineering, molecular biology and biotechnology, physics, sociology and the social work. And how to apply means, candidates are required to apply online through the link that is provided here by paying the application fee of 800 rupees and 400 rupees for the SC, ST and PWD category. The payment of application fee is to be made online through the debit card or credit card or the net banking. And the tentative dates are given here. You may check down. The date of display of online application forms 8th January 2021 and the last date for submission of online applications 28th January 2021 and date of publication of list of applicants, eligible applicants for the personal interview 4th Feb and the personal interview is on 10th to 11th Feb and the date of publication of the list of selected candidates 22nd Feb and the date of payments of fees and provisional admission 23rd to 25th Feb 2021. Okay, and here the few more details are given here. So prerequisites and the area of research for the each and every department are given here. So you may check down carefully guys. So for your reference purpose, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. Fine. So kindly check out, and it is the official website of the Tejpur University. So you can get down this notification from the official website also in the column of news and notifications. Fine. And the next one is the walk-in interview for the guest faculty in one of the state university, that is Mother Teresa Women's University. And here you can check down that applications are invited from eligible candidates for guest faculty purely on consolidated basis, that is 15,000 rupees per month. Permanent employment cannot be claimed in future. And the physics 1 and English 1, so qualification PG in particular disciplines with 55% of net set or PhD in the relevant subject. And the interview is on 18th January 2021 morning 11 AM and the venue is Mother Teresa Women's University, Kodaikanal. The application format, instruction to the candidates and other details are kept in this website, and application along with the copy of a certificate self-attested should be sent to the Registrar Mother Teresa Women's University. Okay, and so these are the details guys. I will provide this PDF link also in the description box of this video. Fine. So please share this information, or else please share my video to your friends or colleagues, okay, and let them know about these notifications too. And to get the more notifications, please subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and It is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGCNET candidates who are preparing for the UGCNET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGCNET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGCNET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGCNET exam in the 2021, so both the UGCNET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these 2 courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGCNET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.